These are called mixture problems. They're also called weighted averages. In order to solve these, well, first of all, let me read the question, is how many milliliters of a 5% sodium chloride solution must be added to a 15% sodium chloride solution to make a 4.5 liter solution that is 8% sodium chloride, and sodium chloride is just regular table salt. So in order to solve this, what we do is a table, and then after that you can set up your problem, you can set up your equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to have solution A, which that's going to be the 5%, so change it to a decimal, and we don't know what the volume is, so we're going to call the volume X, and then for the second solution we've got to add it to a 15%. So we're going to call that solution B. So that's sorry, this table is looking kind of ugly, but hopefully you can follow what I'm doing here. It's arbitrary. You can call it solution 1, solution 2. It doesn't matter. We're going to change 15% to a decimal. We're going to call it 1.5. Obviously, we don't know if it's going to be the same amount. So we're trying to get to 4,500 liters. So if we cut that in half, that's 2,250. If we call them both X, they would both be 2,250 milliliters. Not necessarily the case. What we're going to call it, we're going to convert liters to milliliters. Okay, so we're going to have 4,500 milliliters. 4,500. I'm going to try to squeeze it into my ugly box. And then minus X. And where does that rationale come from? X plus 4,500 minus X is equal to 4,500. So if we combine these two, then we're going to have 4,500 milliliters. Okay, and now percent times volume. So here we're going to have 0.05x. So 5% times the unknown. And here we're going to have 0.15x. Sorry, 0.15 times 4,500 minus x. Remember, that's a quantity. It's an expression, so keep the parentheses around it. That's very important. Box, and what we're trying to attain is a excuse me, is a 8% of a 4,500, so 0.08 times 4,500, and we've got 360 is going to go in this far right box. And now we're going to set up our equation. 0.05x. So I'm going to do, darn it, sorry, that's an ugly 5. Oh, there, that looks prettier. So I'm going to do this box plus this box is equal to that box. So percent times volume, so 0.05x, we don't know what it is. 0.15, 4,500 minus x is equal to 360. And we're just going to use algebra, and we're going to solve, and we're going to figure out what x is. The distributive property here, excuse me, and multiply the 0.15 times the 4,500 and the negative x. And here's what we're going to get, and we are going to combine these terms. So 0.05 and negative 0.15 gives us negative 0.1 plus 675 is equal to 360. And now we're going to subtract 675 from both sides. And we are going to get negative 115 is equal to, oh sorry, I forgot the x here, is equal to negative 0.1x. And x is equal to positive 1,150 milliliters of the 5% solution to go into the 50 milliliters of the 15% solution to give us 4.5 liters of the 8% solution.